The upper Northwest Washington, D.C. real estate market continues to evolve, and if you live in Wesley Heights, Spring Valley, Chevy Chase, American University Park, Forest Hills, Cleveland Park, North Cleveland Park, Woodley Park, Georgetown, or the Palisades, you'll want to know what's happening before making your next real estate move. I'm Sherine Monir with Compass Real Estate, and today we're taking a look at the June 2026 housing market for Upper Northwest Washington, D.C., covering zip codes 20016, 20015, 20008, and 20007. I'll break down the latest numbers, explain what they mean, and share what buyers and sellers should expect as we move through the summer market. This update covers the heart of Upper Northwest, specifically zip codes 20016, 20015, 2008, and 2007. Understanding the trends in these specific areas is key to making an informed decision. I break down these Upper Northwest DC numbers every single month. Subscribe so you're not making a six-figure decision on last quarter's data. Let's jump in. Here is the market snapshot. At the end of June, there were 644 active listings across these four Upper Northwest zip codes. That's more inventory than we've seen over the past couple of years, which is giving buyers more choices. But don't let that fool you into thinking the market has slowed down. What we're seeing is a healthier, more balanced market. Homes that are priced correctly, professionally marketed, and move-in ready are still selling quickly. Today's market is rewarding preparation rather than simply timing. Luxury market remains strong. One thing that immediately stood out in this month's numbers is where the inventory is concentrated. Nearly 300 homes currently on the market are priced above $1 million, representing almost half of all available listings in these neighborhoods. That's not surprising when you consider that Upper Northwest DC is home to many of the city's premier neighborhoods. For luxury buyers, that means more options. For luxury sellers, it means more competition. Pricing your home correctly and presenting it beautifully has never been more important. So where buyers are moving quickly, not every price range is behaving the same. The strongest demand continues to be between $800,000 and $1 million. Homes priced from $800,000 to $900,000 averaged only 5 days on the market. Homes priced between $900,000 and $1 million averaged just 6 days. Those are incredibly fast sales and show that buyers are still acting quickly when they find the right home. While some lower price segments are taking a little longer to sell, desirable homes in our Upper Northwest neighborhoods continue to attract strong interest. Inventory is becoming more balanced. Another number I always watch is months of inventory. Generally speaking, less than 3 months favors sellers. Around 3 months is considered a balanced market. More than 4 or 5 months starts shifting the advantage toward buyers. Right now, homes priced above $1 million are sitting at roughly 3 months of inventory, which tells us this market is becoming much more balanced than we've seen in recent years. That's good news for both buyers and sellers. Buyers are still paying strong prices. Many people assume that because inventory has increased, buyers are negotiating large discounts. The numbers tell a different story. Homes priced between $800,000 and $900,000 sold for an average of 100.6% of their asking price. Even more impressive, homes between $900,000 and $1 million averaged approximately 109% of list price, meaning multiple offer situations are still happening. Even luxury homes above $1 million averaged about 98.3% of asking price, showing that well-priced homes continue to perform extremely well. Sales activity is healthy. Despite higher mortgage rates, buyers are still purchasing homes. During June alone, more than 100 homes priced above $1 million sold across these Upper Northwest neighborhoods. The demand is still there. Today's buyers are simply taking a little more time to compare properties and are expecting homes to be priced appropriately and show beautifully. What this means for sellers: if you're considering selling your home this year, preparation is everything. professional photography, thoughtful staging, strategic pricing, targeted digital marketing, and expert negotiation. Those are the things making the biggest difference in today's market. The days of putting a sign in the yard and expecting multiple offers regardless of condition are behind us. Today's buyers expect quality, and they reward homes that are well prepared. For buyers, this may actually be one of the best opportunities we've seen in several years. There are more homes to choose from, less competition than we experienced during the pandemic, and in certain price ranges, there are opportunities to negotiate. But if you find a home that's priced well in neighborhoods like Wesley Heights, Spring Valley, Chevy Chase, Georgetown, or Forest Hills, you'll still need to act quickly. The best homes continue to sell fast. And here are my final thoughts. One thing I always remind my clients is that every neighborhood has its own story. The market in Wesley Heights is different from Georgetown. Spring Valley behaves differently than Cleveland Park. And American University Park has its own unique trends. That's why broad Washington, D.C. statistics only tell part of the story. If you're thinking about buying or selling and want to know what's happening specifically in your neighborhood, I'd be happy to prepare a personalized market analysis and discuss what today's market means for your home. Thank you for watching. I'm Sherine Monir with Compass Real Estate. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next month.